she go? She's probably in the crowd. I want to thank Ellie Yang for making this choreography, getting these girls together. I got my girls Sally, Elizabeth, Tammy, Cece, and Shiloh. Very cute girls. And I wasn't going to do this song without Home Girls. No, I wasn't going to do it without them. I don't want to be up here by myself, and I want to represent. I want to show y'all why this song was made. Alright, this song is called Home Girls. Thank you for letting me make this song. You gonna leave your Starbucks here, bro? Come on now. That's a lead. I never asked for that. I said vanilla chai latte. Okay, let me make sure we're good here. Alright, let's get it, bro. Talk to you all night. This skin really goes in the light. And it's unfair that you want what I like. Can't sell like a shaman do. I really can't see my eyes like you. You smile like you make the news. How'd you kill every dude in the room? Yeah, these girls, these pretty. I'm really in my city. I'm not even silly. Dances with me. What's that party going? Thank you so much.